Hello, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. You're welcome to another episode of Speaker Savoir. And as you know, we're here to help you speak French by teaching you French expressions, how to use them, and by encouraging you to use them. Nous sommes ici pour apprendre le français et comment utiliser les expressions françaises. So if you're ready, c'est parti! The expression we are looking at today is ça marche. Ça marche. Ça marche is an expression that you use to acknowledge or agree with someone or to agree that something or an arrangement works for you. You can also use it literally to mean that an object or a gadget literally works or not. We'll look at these examples pretty shortly. Let's take the first example of the first context. Exemple 1. On prend le noir? Oui, ça marche. Should we take the black? Yes, that works. So we're taking the black. Good. Exemple 2. Nous partons à la bibliothèque à 10 heures. Ça marche. We're going to the library at 10 a.m. That works perfectly. Now let's come back to the second context. This is where you use this expression, ça marche, to literally ask if an object, an appliance, a gadget is working or not. For example, l'ordinateur, ça marche. Is the computer working? Exemple 2. Comment ça marche? How does it work? Remember that you can also use pour, which means for, to sort of personalize it, to first of all, to show if an arrangement works for you or to show if a particular time works for you. Let's see these examples. Ça marche pour demain. Is tomorrow okay? Does tomorrow work? And then you can say non, ça ne marche pas, or oui, ça marche pas. Ça marche if it works for you. Note how the negation is done. Ça ne marche pas. So the verb marche is placed in between the negation markers ne and pas. You can also omit the ne. It's often done in oral French or spoken language. So you can have ça marche pas, meaning it doesn't work. Or ça ne marche pas pour moi. Ça marche pas pour moi. It doesn't work for me. Let's look at one final example. Ça marche pour toi? Does it work for you? Oui, ça marche pour moi. Or non, ça marche pas pour moi. No, it doesn't work for me. Finally, you may also hear this expression at a restaurant or a shop. When you place an order, the shop attendant or the waiter or the waitress is likely to say something like ça marche, meaning your order has been well noted, understood, and well noted. For example, je vais prendre la soupe à l'oignon. I will have the onion soup. Ça marche. That works. Coming right up. And you know that your food will be ready shortly. Now let's go to the pronunciation. Ça marche. Ça marche. Now the negation. Ça ne marche pas. Ça ne marche pas. Finally, without the ne. Ça marche pas. Ça marche pas. Thank you very much for watching this video. Merci d'avoir suivi cette vidéo. J'espère que ça marche pour vous. I hope it works for you. Don't forget to keep practicing because practice makes perfect. C'est en forgeant qu'on devient forgeron. See you in the next video. Au revoir.